Hello everyone. Today let's learn some interesting facts of Andhra Pradesh. Amaravati is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Vishakhapatnam is the largest city. Telugu is the primary language spoken. Approximately 1,60,000 square kilometers the area spans, and there are 26 districts in Andhra Pradesh. Sri N. Chandrababu Naidu is the 18th Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh as of June 2024. Krishna, Godavari, and Penna are the major rivers. It has a coastal line of around 974 kilometers, which makes it the second largest coastal line in the nation. Rice is the staple food crop. It has large amount of limestone reserves and also barite and granite. Major pilgrimage center Tirumala Venkateshwara Temple in Tirupati is located in Andhra Pradesh. Traditionally, the Telugu women wore saris and blouses called ravikelu. The Mangalgiri saris, produced in the Mangalgiri town of Guntur district, is a popular fabric of Andhra Pradesh. Men wear traditional panache along with a turban and uttariyam or kanduvu to cover their upper body, like dhoti and kurta and lungi. Hope you like this video. Kindly subscribe for more such videos. Thank you.